Hey everyone, feature selection in machine learning. Choosing the right features or data columns is crucial in machine learning. In this section, we'll explore feature selection, a technique that helps improve model accuracy and efficiency. Let's dive in. Why is feature selection important? Feature selection helps in reducing computation time, avoiding overfitting, improving model accuracy. Not all data is useful; removing irrelevant features makes AI models smarter. Feature selection methods. One filter methods uses statistical techniques to rank features' importance. Wrapper methods trace different feature combinations to find the best. And three embedded methods. Feature selection is built into the model. Real-world application of feature selection in machine learning: finance, healthcare, and e-commerce. In finance, we can identify key indicators for market trends. In healthcare, we can select in symptoms most relevant for diagnosis. And e-commerce, we can optimize in product recommendation system. At the end, that's feature selection in ML. Want a hands-on tutorial on these techniques? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe and hit the bell.